first. OpenAI dropped Sora 2 and we were all like, wow, the future is here. Now Google's stepping up, saying hold my GPU. So, who's really the king of video generation? In this video, I'll compare Sora 2.0 and Google Veo 3.1 across 4 key areas to see which one performs better.
All right, burgers are almost. Whoa! Watch out! There they go.
He's got one.
That soda's done for.
Guess we needed a refill anyway.
Easy, easy. Almost there. Phew. Made it.
I think Sora 2 really stands out when it comes to plot plausibility, camera transitions, character performance, and voice acting. It's still not perfect, of course, but right now, it's hands down the most powerful video generation model out there. You've probably noticed that the downloaded videos from Sora aren't super clear. But that's totally fine. There's an easy fix. I recommend using a video enhancement tool called 4D File Repair. Just click the AI enhancer bar and import your video. Click Enhance, and boom, you've got a clean, sharp, high-quality result. They're offering a 3-day free trial, so check out the link in the description and give it a try.
Guess we needed a refill anyway.
And as always, don't forget to like and subscribe for more AI video tests and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.